Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove the channels on WhatsApp. So it's a very easy process. So the moment you will click on WhatsApp and go to the update section, you will find the channels that you follow right over here. So in order to remove the channel section over here or get the old version of WhatsApp, you will actually need to download the old version of the entire application. So it's a very easy process. Go to any browser and then just simply type WhatsApp old version, then hit enter. Now, simply scroll down and you will find a website from APK Pure. Just simply search that. Now, once you find that particular website, just simply open that. And right over here, you will have all the previous versions of WhatsApp over here. Just simply download any version of WhatsApp that was before the channel feature was actually launched on the main WhatsApp. Just simply install the old application and then just simply log in with your normal account and you will be good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.